Hi friends, welcome back to HomemakersADDA. This is Shravanti. Today I am showing about the unboxing of Boya M1 mic and the testing and the quality, how the mic is and everything I am showing in this video. Welcome all. See, here I am doing the unboxing, and so many are saying that mics are not working to the smartphones. Boya M1 industrial mics or else anything. So today's I'm showing all this, how the quality will be and how to use the mic. So see, here is the Boya M1. This is the box, outer box of this.
See, there will be a mic and Boya M1. This is how the box will come from the supplier. This side they are showing about the smartphone cameras and we can connect this for everything. Back side they will show the features. Overall the box will be like this, and we will
open the box now. What all the parts are there and how to insert and everything we can see now. This is the pouch, Boya pouch.
on this, it was written and the quality was nice, very good rubber matte finishing, and we can take this mic to anywhere comfortably in the bags and all. We can hold this.
And this is the mic. The wire will be 3 meters and it is very flexible.
And here this is the guarantee card, and this is your warranty card and the instructions guide. In this everything this guide will be showing us how to insert, and everything will be there in this. We can follow these instructions, description, items and everything will be there. Once go through this guide, then it will be very detailed, and now I will show this. This is the guide. And here
will be the packet. In this we have see, this is the clip, this is the hook we have to we have to connect to mic, and that is the battery. This is a amplifier connector. Wind sheet and everything was given. This is the mic. The wire quality is also very good. Here we should insert the battery in this. The material is the iron. See here, this is connected to the phone. We have to do smartphone camera, we have to connect from that. First we have to insert this wind sheet to the mic. This is very easy to insert. See, it's look very easy now. It is very easy to connect. And this hook we have to see here. This is the clip.
we have to keep for our shirt or something, our dress. We have to clip this to our shirt like this. It will hold the shirt cloth, it will hold the cloth, and it will be tight. Very good grip is there for this. Here we have to insert like this. It will be go some tight, no problem. Just click on that. It will be somewhat tough to keep. Just insert that. See, you have to press hardly, then it will go nicely, and it will very easy. Here we have
insert. In this we have to insert the battery. The battery is very what you say, the regular battery, watch battery, children's watch battery will be there, no? The same battery we can use for this. And here is the screw. We have to open that. The small thread they have given for us, that is because of if we after inserting we have to take the battery out, means we have to use that some ribbon like thing is there. With that it will very easy to come out the battery. Here on battery they have given for us the instruction which side we have to keep. That plus symbol they have given. That plus symbol should be come upside of that spring side. We have to keep that plus symbol. Like this slowly we can insert easily, very easily. And after that, if we have to come, it want to come out means we have to pull that ribbon, so the battery will come out easily. See how easy it is. And again we have to close.
This battery have to close this.
And this is the wire completely. It is completely of 3 meters. Here we can see that one switch. It is, if we use the camera we have to switch that up, and we have, if we are using with phone, smartphone, we have to keep that switch down. See, now I am showing that you have to install one app for this. No one will say about this, so that everyone is getting confused why this mic is not working for phone. First you should install this open camera app. Now I am showing how to install open camera. We have to keep this open camera and we have to go for settings, scroll down. Here is the option that video settings. Again scroll up. Here you can see that option audio source. In that you have to select external mic. Now you can insert the mic for this and you can use directly. See, external mic is you have select that. You can go back and you can use your mic.
Hello. I'm checking
Here I am testing the mic how it is working.
Please listen to this.
It is good sound.
Hello. Hello.
Thank you all. If you are interested in this video, please share to your friends and family members. Subscribe my channel.